Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be sharing 10 easy and effective nutrition hacks to help you achieve a healthier, happier you. So, let's dive right in. Hack number 1. Supercharge with superfoods. First, we've got the power of superfood. These nutrient-packed wonders can boost your overall health. Think chia seeds, kale, berries, and more. Incorporate them into your meals for an added nutritional punch. Hack number 2. Hydration for the win. Next on our list is hydration. It's simple yet often overlooked. Staying hydrated improves digestion, enhances energy levels, and supports clear skin. Hack number 3. Snack smartly. Instead of reaching for processed treats, opt for wholesome options like nuts, seeds, or sliced fruit. Smart snacking keeps your metabolism humming and helps you avoid energy crashes. Hack number 4. Balanced meals matter. Aim to include lean proteins, healthy fats, and a variety of colorful veggies on your plate. This combo will provide sustained energy and keep you feeling satisfied. Hack number 5. Mindful eating. Eating mindfully is essential. Slow down, savor each bite, and listen to your body's hunger cues. This mindful approach helps prevent overeating and supports better digestion. Hack number 6. Breakfast boosters. Mornings can be hectic, but don't skip breakfast. Fuel your day with a nutritious morning meal. Try smoothies, overnight oats, or whole grain toast with avocado. Hack number 7. The power of meal prep. Spending a little time planning and prepping your meals ahead of time can save you stress and ensure you make healthier choices throughout the week. Hack number 8. Swap and upgrade. Replace sugary drinks with herbal teas or water, and opt for whole grain versions of your favorite foods. Hack number 9. Season with spices. Spices not only add flavor but also health benefits. From turmeric to cinnamon, these natural wonders can boost your metabolism and support overall well-being. Hack number 10. Cheat days done right. It's okay to indulge occasionally, but moderation is key. Balance those treats with mindful choices to stay on track.